Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be going to shop at Miu Miu, and in the end I will unbox what I got, and I'll also unbox the new shoes from Amina Muaddi. And I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. It's nice to be back to the store and check out the new collection. I was actually just passing by and I spotted such a cute bag, so I had to come in and have a look. This pair of the loafers was on my wish list previously. They're very nice. So let me show you the bag. Here is the very first one, and I just love the color. I really love the contrast. It looks so good with the dark brown. It's in a similar color as my Hermes Birkin, and I'll later compare them side by side. But yeah, this one is super adorable. I just love the design. It's very practical. This one can fit a lot of things, and it's very light. And I really love the fact that there is just one strap. It is so much better. It's really cute. The price of this bag is very good too, and I'm very surprised about that. It is very nice and very edgy. And here it is next to my Hermes bag in a gold color. You can see the color is very similar. It actually perfectly matches my Rodeo, which is so cool. And it looks so good when you're trying to add some contrast to elevate the whole outfit. By the way, this particular color just goes with so many outfits. It looks fantastic with the cream, obviously with the brown shades, with multicolors. It's so cute, and I've been reaching for this particular shade very often. There is also another brown bag, but in a bigger size. I'll show to you as well. The sales associate is going to bring it for me. I was told that that bag is very hard to get, and there's just one left in Singapore. It's super cute too. By the way, it's quite light and it feels quite comfortable as well, which is important for me. And let me show you another bag. This one is also very nice. I just love this shade. It's a perfect ideal brown for me. I'm currently so obsessed with the brown, and I love to pair it with cream, and I have a few outfits in this shade which I would like to match with a brown bag. I also need the bag to be small to go out for dinners or going for tea with my girlfriends. It's just so convenient. It's like a perfect evening or a weekend bag, and I love the fact that the strap can be adjusted as well. I can make it even taller or longer, which is important for me. I've been on a lookout for a perfect shade of brown for a long time, and I was so surprised to see this one, and I love the fact that it's in a leather. I previously saw this bag in suede, but I'm not a big fan of this material. It's so difficult to clean it. And also the leather bag holds the shape so much better than just suede. At this point, I only want to buy very practical things that are so easy to look after and keeping them look like new for as long as possible. And here is the very popular bag, and this is the last display piece that they have. It's cute, and I can see why people love it. It's so spacious as well. It can fit in so many more things, and it's so easy to use. I love the shape, and I'm actually very surprised that I'm gravitated to this new shape. If you're following me for quite a while, you know that for at least 5 or 6 years, I've been saying that I only go for classics. I actually don't know what happened, but I do love the shapes. Although I have to say I prefer to have only one strap, but of course for this particular design and for this particular size, you need to have both straps to balance the weight. Anyways guys, which style from these two do you like the most? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always curious to see your responses. By the way, this round bag also comes in many other colors and different materials, which I'll show to you as well. They're all super cute. and this beige one is super adorable. It will also match a lot of outfits. It's a neutral color that just goes with absolutely everything. Such a pretty shade of the beige. I'll show it to you closer as well. Here it is. I actually think it's the perfect size because it's great for all kinds of occasions, yet it can fit so much. And by the way, guys, later I'll show to you how spacious it is. I'm just so obsessed with this kind of shapes of the bags at the moment. They're just the coolest. And I love the fact that the logo is not so prominent. I mean, it's big, but it's not very obvious. So you can just turn it around and no one's going to know that it's a designer piece. Especially if you go to some places where it's not so safe to wear designer things. If you don't want to attract any attention, this bag is perfect. This color is so nice too, but I'm just not sure about the strap. I think it's too simple. I wish it was improved. I think if it was in a leather, it would look a lot more expensive. And also the color of the strap is really off. It just doesn't go. Yeah, this is a disappointment. And this bag also comes in other colors. I saw it in burgundy too, but somebody's looking at it. And also in a mustard color. Super cute too. Somehow this strap is a bit better because I feel like these colors work better together. But still, it should be in leather. It looks so much better, so much more presentable in my view. I don't mind it to be made from the material like that. It's just the strap that is an issue for me and kind of ruins the whole look. But this bag is so light too. I think it's even lighter because it's a fabric. But it's not like the leather piece is super heavy. No, it's super light too. And I actually saw somewhere there are more designs of this style coming out. This design is also very popular and quite practical. And by the way, guys, which color of all of these bags and which style is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I always love reading your responses. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show you which bag I ended up getting, and I'll also show to you the shoes that I purchased. I'm so excited about all of these things. They go so well together. I love them so much. Of course, my busybody assistant is here. She wants to know what I got. And here is the bag. And I'll also show to you how many things this bag can fit in. I'm just so obsessed with this round shape. Let's look inside. I have not showed it to you previously. It also comes with a certificate of authenticity. I'm still super surprised how many things it can fit in, even my big wallet. And there is still plenty of space. And I can also put in my phone. This is my old phone, but it's the same size as my current phone with which I'm filming. And also it can even fit in my fan. And you can see there is still some space to put, let's say, a small hand sanitizer bottle and a lipstick. That's so cool. I just love how spacious and practical this bag is. And it's also in my most favorite color right now. I'm obsessed with the shade of brown. I know that I'll be reaching for it very often. Alright, now let's move on to the shoes, and I just can't wait to check these ones out. I spotted them online and I got them on sale, which is amazing. I was looking for a perfect pair of shoes in brown, and I was so excited when I spotted this pair. They are so cool. At first I was a bit worried because the heel is so high and I don't wear such high heels anymore. I read the reviews that the shoes are actually quite comfortable despite of the height of the heel, and they look amazing on, and they look so great with the bag, just a perfect combination. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!